Welcome back to farm. Well, wearing my safety glasses. Weather's gotten colder. Been raining the last few days. We're trying to get some work done on this thing behind us. This is going to be part 3 of our build. So we're going to show you where we're at right now and where we're going. If you haven't done so yet, hit that like, subscribe, share, follow, all those good things so you can stay updated on what we're doing here at the farm on this mega playhouse build for our 5 grandkids. Here you go where we're at. So if you've been following, and you know we have since set the pipe. Now we've got it decked out on all 5 decks are decked. 2 there, 2 there. Penthouse suite on the 3rd floor up top. Everything's framed up except the front walls. Still trying to figure out doors, so I haven't framed that up yet. But we're going to get those front walls framed and then run roof trusses for a metal roof. And it's coming together. Porches will be on the front, probably about 3.5 feet wide. We'll probably use Trex decking on those if I can find it at a good price. I'm scavenging, Marketplace, Craigslist, deal outlets, whatever I can do to save some money. But here's where we're at right now. And in this next clip, you'll see where we're at next. So today we got all the wall framing finished up. You can see the door frames behind me. So all 5 of those are framed up, and now we're starting to run the roof trusses, or the roof rafters anyway, which you see up top there. And we'll show you a little finished product when we get through with it today. So we got a lot done today. We didn't get as far as we wanted to. Got showed you earlier, all the walls are framed up, all the door openings framed up. We got 2 out of the 3 roofs framed up, just about ready for metal. Got some blocking to do. Tired, it's been a long day, but we're getting close. So we finished up the roof framing and all our blocking. See all the blocking in up here to block out. And we also went back and added in every roof truss. We added these 6-inch truss screws. They go up through the bottom plate as such. And then just for precaution, we staggered these every other rafter. Standard hurricane tie downs. Because we got all the windows framed in, top and bottom floor. Got the 1 porch installed. Mostly got to trim the boards and started hanging the siding. So you can see the siding there in the back. Super excited. Feel like we're finally making some progress. Roof is coming soon. Keep on following along. If you haven't done so, do us a favor. Hit that like, share, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. We don't want you to miss the final results of this. Love to see your comments below. Let us know your thoughts. What would you do different? Or where do you think we're going with this? Just comment. We appreciate all the input. Thanks for following and for watching McFall Farms.